Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to put multiple ads on your YouTube videos 2021, and even that will help you to earn more money. What you need to do, first just go to YouTube and then go to your studio, but just keep in mind that your video must be 8 minutes or longer. I have here longer video over 10 minutes. You need to click here in the monetization icon, and then just scroll down. You will see here manage mid rolls. If you leave it like this, then Google just will put the ads. But if you want to control that, and even you can put more ads, or just you select where you want them to put the ads, then just you need to click here manage mid rolls. And you see now, for example, I have 1, 2, 3 here. You click here, add break, and you see add start time. Then just you can change something here. I recommend you to have more ads in the beginning, not in the end, because not many people will watch the video until the end. Okay, for example, if I choose here first ad just after 1 minute, and then second ad, let me say after 3 minutes. Third ad, it will be, let me say, 5 minutes and 2 seconds. 3 ads. If I want to add more ad, just click here, add break. I have one here, one here. Let me say I have 1 8 minutes and 15 seconds. We'll have 1 here. After that, just click here, continue, and then save. This is what you need to do if you want to put multiple ads on your YouTube videos 2021. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.